Door's broken. Next fix. Okay, so let me show you. This is the old part. See 2 wheels on top. And this one, which is actually gone. And then you have the new one, which actually does have the wheel. Not that expensive, but it needs doing. There's a lot of rust in there. I'll have to treat it before I do anything else. I used to have like a circular sander, but it broke, so I have to do everything by hand now. But I still have the grinding discs. If it mean a little time with you, break my heart and leave me hurt. The next one just gonna do me worse. So if they all no good, I'll just be bad with you. Cause my mother told me as a matter of fact, yes, I am done with it. So let's see how far we can get with power tools and then do the rest by hand. In the eternal words of Jeremy Clarkson, power! But there's some lessons hard for me to learn. Like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from them bad girls. Them bad girls. The good ones just can't get me high. So I be falling on my lap for one of these bad girls. You bad girl, but you do me so good. It's very annoying when you literally have to watch paint dry. Alright, paint's dry. Let's put her in. Yes! But this is how a door should work. Apparently I'm out of glue, so we'll fix this later. But now, you can just stay in there. I will fix you later. Also picked up this, which is basically the handle that opens the cargo bay. And this one's kind of broken. Let me show you. As you can see, it's actually pretty damn loose. And I think at some point this is going to give away. So, I don't know what's damaged, so we'll take it off and we'll see how much we need to put back in. But at least we have the entire assembly, so we can put it back in. And now comes the hard part, taking off the paneling, which is always freaking headache. Okay, that was easy. Give me access. Is that a freaking screw in here? Yes, it is. What the f is this thing? Yeah, stop squealing. Ah, I hate these screws. Usually, if you pull enough, it all comes loose. There we go. There we go. Aha. Ah. Haha. So they're just one freaking screw that's holding me back. One goddamn mother screw. And I'm taking it out now. This tiny thing. It just needed tightening. I can't believe this. I'm beginning to understand why mechanics are so expensive, because this is frustrating. Really frustrating. So Volkswagen, if you're watching, next time, instead of putting the screw in the back, put it in front. Will you?
Down to the river, down to the river.